First lesson, guys, is you are capable of so much more than what you currently believe. First lesson, guys, is you are capable of much more than what you believe. And this really came out of our philosophy of recovery, right? We believe that a man will only struggle in finding true freedom if he lacks certain character traits in and of himself, but more importantly, and this is the one that we work on the most with our men, is the self-belief in and of themselves. Guys, I don't want anything that I share here today to come across as a way as if I'm bragging or touting my past successes. But in 2019, before I made the decision to quit porn and get out of my life for all, I had a proven track record of success, at least in my opinion. Now, other people would argue with that, but this is me. I'm talking about me. I believe that up until that point, if I wanted to achieve something, I could go out and do it. I could change my body physically. I could compete in bodybuilding shows, placing third in the world in the WBFF in 2015, and then placing fourth in the state of Florida in the NPC Classic Division in 2016. And guys, those aren't impressive stats, but for me, it meant a lot. I'd also built, a couple different successful businesses. So, but when I got on the other side, and really what 2019 revealed to me was what I was capable of mentally and in the working place. So I was fortunate to get an opportunity just coming off the back end of quitting porn. And it threw me into a very fast growing organization, an environment that I'd never been a part of. And it really challenged and tested my bandwidth as an individual. And I've just carried that with me for the last 3 years. To think that back in 2019, we would have a podcast ranking the top 100 in the world. We would be reaching over 100 different nations. We would be reaching over 50, 60,000 men every single week and month with our videos in our YouTube channel, and that we would be impacting and saving 2,500 men from the compulsive and addictive behavior with pornography. I would have told you there's absolutely no way. And then when I look at what the men are doing inside of our program, launching businesses, reconnecting with their wives, reestablishing marriages, servicing the world, servicing the communities. Brothers, I'm telling you, if you're struggling right now, stick with the process, follow through on the action steps, because you are capable of so much more than you believe. In the last 3 years have truly revealed that to me and everybody I've had the opportunity to work with. Guys,